around province could have the way stuff television blog mis kam welcome you ikam pala episode mi pas kam kasem today all time lo let nemblo karam voice ay go let the people we Mr. Story and let us present or that story and before you Mr. Story being a story and Mr. Go yumi lo story and kita story and beli bin look mama lo yumi bin look lo plan de lo da story and relate con lo public plan de narfala story and we bin go through them lo kata week we mi today. Today you meet referendum. Choice you. What citizen will you start joining me today? After Lord Blong Kaontri Blong yumi. And today, suppose you step around low ground, you step one question, you ask question. You got blow you give him think comment blow you when historian lo question blow yumi day katong wali start mika to the pas blow Mikat what me too. The story by doctor what the meme Mr. German Ludvaun and Mr. what the me too. What am yumi today? Was a panel member of kivhan lo yumi. Lo yumi understand him more about leadership. Momikat what me to area administrator plus central. And Mr. what me to Mrs. Joyce Malau. Thank you. We have staff. Lo yumi continue give him ting. And suppose you were used to follow and Miss Saveh se plante lo yumi only while Mr. Story before press club maybe interesting in Bukoron plante only set him up ting block at the say yes mono. Emia pa mimi no dispute emia emi choice blow you where you make him finish you rare blow you column number 29 pe after lo referendum question blow you me after 1M we pa you me stop story an mo go plante li talem no plante li talem yes you me respect them today press club lo Vanuatu hemi one platform blow you me serem ting blow you me and time you me stop ko chess some rule blow me blow story and blow me while you me stop ko time you got question you me give him question with them respect address him kam blow me mo se moderator pa me stop today blow kara question blow you pa me give him go look at the panelist you were you stop watch online you do you have give him question blow you online blow Yumi saveh ask him lo kata panelist blo li saveh answer him question blo you. Listen good. Min karachim you blo listen good lo kata storyan. Sometimes I'm all question blo Yumi ya only ask him finish before Yumi must ask him back. Mi encourage you blo you listen good. Mo long time lo question. Pa Yumi haram one clear question. Where you cut blo you ask him. Also moderator. Pa mimi strict lo timing blo Yumi. So what them respect. By time Yumi stop come, Yumi got 1 hour, 30 minutes lo story an Yumi. Time you stop story, pa mi talam kindly no mo lo you, say pa you hurry up lo question lo you. After by Yumi give him time lo next month lo ask him question. Emi otap lo story an Yumi lo tape lo the day. Purpose blog press club hemi lo inform him, educate him, empower him public. Plo Vanuatu what him all expert information. Mo look format blo press club hemi different role narvala kain platform bagen where you may aim blo go deep inside lo one topic mo understand him good. O semi pintalem finish topic blue today. How now national nakamal mo church lidasip emi kivhan lo road blo country blo yumi. Yumi saveh talem 17A mo 17B hemi also flower blo tree no mo. Pe look raunem storian raunem branch tamba roots emi kam kasem town lo community blo Yumi tu. From suppose look blo community emi good by look blo national level by emi good. So what place you establishen pa mi ko direct lo kata storian blo Yumi. Pa mi give him time now lo kata panel discussion blo li panelist blo Yumi blo li historian. When now leadership lo context blo community blo Yumi. When I'm a leadership, time you talk about the level of church. When I'm a leadership, time you talk about the nakamal system blow Yumi, custom blow Yumi. When I'm now leadership, time you talk about the provincial level. When I'm now leadership, time you talk about the area council level blow Yumi. When I'm now need blow change, the national leadership practice. Or value lo society blo Yumi. From all something ya flower ya pahemi stop grow town pahemi ko kasembay stand up lo one level where everyone only pass only say oh flower ya emi good emi attract them plant something emi can help them. Now last week we talk about leadership where we build him nation. And suppose you establish lo time ya Jennifer Kalbokas doan hemi talk about how all fasin pro build him nation hemi deep and plant along leadership pro every corner. Emi talk about all MB, government, all chief, all church, all mama, mo all young vala. Mo last week too, you mi have one vala panelist Henry Tamashiro. Emi atemap talk pro build him nation. How now you mi build him nation? That is why you mi carry more. Time you build a nation, you may talk about Olembi no more, you may talk about Kafman no more, you may talk about all minister no more. How now you may build a nation? What I'm thinking for build him society. Time you may talk about society, you may talk about some of value, where we stop ability, me leadership, me ability, for one individual, me got influence, lo one group, mo leading mo kita. Time you may talk about nation building. You may talk about all get a thing, pro karem together, pro you may develop a political, economic, security, more social institution, lo country, pro you may. You may been look to lo some statistic lo last week. Lo week ya, you may tell them thank you to lo Pacific Attitude Survey, Blong Vanuatu, we only launch him lo April 2024. And me last man is no more. And me give him some interesting statistic. Whereby you go, pa all panelist blo yumi, pa all historian lem. Pa mi no take time blo you. Pa yumi tara ki ko harem ting blo kata panelist, walista botem yumi. Mikat botemi, mikat hona, botem Chief Owen, thank you. Also one community leader. Yumi been harem full of talk. Around lo country, we only been talk about importance blo nakamal leadership. Long development blo country blo yumi. Chief Owen. You saveh explain him talk yan nakamal leadership mo wane minim. Tayo mi talk about role pro one chief lo community When him now, you must have meaning. But me give him time, lo chief, play me give him talk blong him. Thank you, chief.
Thank you. Me, Chief Owen. I want to tell them thank you. Long Fresh Club, where me saveh come down, lo make him talk ya hawanisya long yumi lo malakula. And me first time too, lo me attend them ting lo referendum. Governance lo yumi lo community lo custom. Then you talk about governance lo custom, and me used to talk about paramount chief or one big flat chief inside the community. So governance law custom emi one particular body where emi govern community or area or even island. So today in Bamisa Batalam also say mitalam thank you lo where you miss have come back. For the more experience play me, we me been go through Lahem since you made independence in 1980. Then you me experience and plan something. We can say you me or big man play me or the cutting team play me come back. Look back, walk about play me. 1980 come kasi now ya, sabi mi amas 44 years now. We may be custom independent. For the more experience, or big man do you me or decide. Blow you make a back, you miss historian. Look back, walk about you me. Lo me, lo ting blow me, lo governance. You me want to say me must put them all good for a leader. Blow all this have a come, blow take more positions, blow gadar. Lo level lo province or even lo national lo oli sabakara mo ting lo yumi propta yumi look or sem yumi lo Vanuatu custom emi strong be challenge lo yumi na solora mi big one yumi scattered lo plan the highlands then time mo begin lo yumi lo custom mo go anda lo national level. Instead of somebody bringing back development, and back lo yumi. For that time, yumi looks and no. Or beginning ya, go and rabia. Or the chum too much. So maybe things Mr. Time where come on and me decide to yumi go back. Yumi look back. Lo governance lo yumi. So old chief only you want them say yumi look back lo yumi choose small straight man lo go and up. Lo before we come yumi look say or beginning or the come up or go or reach go and up lo red through. But you know something say me come go and up or so on. And me pass through lo dob lo chief lo hem lo go and up or just put them no more. Ikam go ya iseng no more me go and up. Time you go and up ya. You know stop. I mean no stable lo position of place where me stop land. That's why I got too much change lo government. Since 1980 come kasi na too much. From the time you me experience me now. Instead of development government change. And what government change is slowing down development, more was a plan there, you must cut out the plan there. Development we may want to expect them to Mumbai come. It no come no more. From thinking or challenge from the beginning of the start jam. So meetings me alright, you me go along to with them thinking government. You may make them change people by that. So she started lo you meet change them for some way stop. When them to la section of constitution yang bagian 19A or 19B. 17A mo 17B. So si minitro yung may one decision ram. By me kutumas. Min pa mi cutting timplo mi yes pa mi go for. But you know saveh or beginning plo yumi. From constitution to me give him freedom plo me decide. Whether you go for or may go against them. Good yumi story on them plo or got already decide them. Destiny plo future plo tomorrow. Timba Mr. Florida.
Thank you, Thomas. Chief, thank you, Thomas. And Chief, emi stated one very important something emi clear. Road plo leadership plo national level resisia emi sta town emi kontap mo emi mas pastru lo all relevant all important leaders o semol chief plo all yumi look saveh all kata na pol look saveh all pikinini pol kata. Plo oli ko kas tekem oli leadership responsibility from se oli tekem sam lo kata value all good value we oli lanem lo custom ko kasem mantap. And whatever thank you to mas chief pa mi give him time lo pasta lo yumi Mr. Watim mi pasta tali ambi Mr. Watim yumi tu thank you pasta pa mi give him tulo pasta plo hemi luklukan anta lo mama lo blo Vanuatu constitution hemi putum custom tuketa watem Christian principle lo stamba blo kaontri. Eme establo preamble and eme hemi minim se tuvla pilaya tuvla very important lo nation building blo yumi. Wal kata values we tuvla stab putum lo community blo yumi pa emi help em country blo yumi blo emi go forward. Pastor, thank you. Please, you have explain them how now. Mama lo hemi look lo importance for church leadership inside lo one state system or same way Vanuatu hemi kat. Thank you to mas Pastor.
Thank you to mas lo chance we mi saveh doktor. First time one of them daramol say name me Pastor Tali. I'm here. Time 1980 mimi 31 years. I think son is stable middle day now. So me sabi ko tiwala mi happen lo kapman since independence kasem the day. So mi talam thank you to mas lo chance we mi sabi kampat lo panel discussion lo time ya. Mi wala mi start sem. There is no right way of doing wrong. Wrong and me wrong. You know got one right way to make them wrong. But there is always right way, to make them wrong, it come right. So I important play me look sabe. Tamo you wrong ya now. Pay got road way sabe make them wrong, it come right back again. Now I now you come lo 29 May. By me talam say time ya, me time lo repentance. It means say you must vote yes. United we stand, divided we fall. So I mean now, repentance means everyone come back, blow vote yes. Me tell them yes, me not tell them no. From why me go back law unity. Me want them ask them question also say be stamp up long problem here is stop way ya. Who is start them? You listen. Satan is stop long heaven, and me make a division and up. God is saka me come down, because the local no written, and me out them man blo post creation too, atamo if. Divided. God ya out tiwala no must stop. Also one. What them God. Even creation. Mo Satan me come long trying back in na man we am second Adam. Blow me again division lo hem be tamo me template Jesus Christ. Be me lose masay when me from me stamp up unity. Unity and Jesus Christ and me stamp up them from me dead mo 7 me. United with them God back in, creation with them God back in, make them say me come back to unity. Be me want them ask back and say who is that them? Vanuatu Party, Presbyterian Church, Anglican Church, all stop one or fight from independence. Where the monarch churches. Be you sabe one them say that they can blow shoot them unity ya. First musket. You shoot the kasem first president of the republic with them secretary of VP Vanuatu party, barak saveh to walay out starting one party. Say that time said no yet, one more round. Emi slacken back and boarded on 1991. Tamway parablo blessia to what a man bloodshed. Prime Minister with them Deputy Prime Minister to what I come out. To what I started Narvala party. Four party now, you Vanuatu party yet. So stop up long problem. All man will start them independence. More say than Megam say only divided unity. In Megam say you make Kasim disaster Kasim the day. You start long go Kasim one man, you going go the same election. So I mean I'm say stamp up Blosambinya, you may come back Plotalam say you may must go back pro vote. Play me night you may back in. Me want them sakam to go say me one pastor ya, when we ask him all Christian churches only come back. Vanuatu party. From Blessa now, development, justice, every something run to him. You vote yes, come back. Number 3 something from Blessa, we go back to constitution in God, we stand. Long blame me, long God me stand up. So what you look like Psalms 20 verse 7, in God we trust, you say. More Abraham. Presbyterian Church, Hemi long Acts 17:28, in God we live, move and exist. Losat long more long Vanuatu, long verse 8, Psalms 20 that I'm saying, in God we stand. So if we go back long God, God now I stand up, pro unity. God now we must look say every something we make him, is straight long more passing more will play him. Now me want them go them one text of the shadow 1 Peter 2:9. That I'm saying, but you are God's chosen people, you royal peace, holy nation, God's own people. Outlaw to taki come light. So Miss here come, you may come back. We talk about thinking blow financial value, God is him. Long all passing away in straight, come back long God people, God's people. All custom, all lifestyle with me come back to talk long God. Now lo bless if that I'm say royal priesthood, he means say all man will go Kapman long nation, all man were only God fearing people. Vanuatu me one holy nation. Long God me stand up. So long world only look me special ya. Time we go block kivhan lo in our nation, you got peace. More you got place for that I'm say Vanuatu me happiest place long world. So from where God is having me finish out the Jutaki come to light. Start the beginning, more every something lo Vanuatu, you be united with them God through Lord Jesus Christ. So me want them taramol sem say Blong chusum one kapman, you me want them godly people bloody gone up. Mr. Blong on the he got one big one debate long 2007, he got some 13. Or it time say, Pastor, you don't go to politics. Me grab write one statement, you go to the boss with that I'm say, Logo Jimmy stand up, you don't have let them Satan is stand up there from Lizim Vanuatu. You mean him godly people will stand up. All man will go to 7 Morgada, spread long God Sabogada, pro him nation. So that we write them or read by Moga talk back and Lotarem. Anyway, all man now will go and have your finish. Be that way Charles come or he makes them road parking. Anyway, if you want to say, you want to Vanuatu, you come back, you develop, you got some mark, you must come back united. You start the beginning, you go got some Orbala, you must come back to talk from God, you may go to church, you may obey the talk from God, you may live the one godly life. Tamo istab look who by golong parliament and avia, you must find one man where me God fearing people, and me looks have people, more time me gone up, and me talk lo biya people. So me want to make swimming back and say, me very important. Vanuatu emi one holy nation. God's will is our blessing. Then we must make sure say every time we make him, long community, long province, long area, even long Kaman and up, and we must be talk long God immediately me, Christian principle. Me want them tell more back and say, must I tell them say without me you can't do nothing. You miss up corruption from where you know make more something with them God. Talk long God stop, passing God stop, justice, honesty, character where be godly. You may say me stop and make them know something. That is why me cast him corruption, we cast him today. So me want them tell Muslim say me go back. While me go back long one party or two party no more stop look up man. Suppose you want to make one party, one among by you put to me go inside. All focus for you. People's plan is stop finish. Whoever I count up, maybe make sure say me fulfilling plan belong people. By 2030, you become long one level where you develop is a macro nation. So me want to tell myself say lo sad long code or Christian principle. You must make sure say we go through long heart, but life for me, blow you make him work. He come cast him mark for him. Now me want to tell myself back and after long 29, come on stop. Come on, you go back to the biblical principle, but look how now you stop and up here, you make him work for you. Instead of president, you go cast him everyone. All civil servants, all man long current. You make sure say you make him every something straight long, one and where God you want them. So me want to make God to me back and say after long 29, come back to the word, let them God power, be what our spirit, or live life play you, life play me development Vanuatu. By remain as happiest place in the world. Last thing when we want to tell them you may go back to example from David. Emi only an long time finish. But Emi stop go patient you got some time when King Saul dead. Emi go up. Emi no go up quick. No, Emi wait long God's time. Semaglo Joseph where Emi to be prime minister. So from capture them come on. Emi no one fashion way is straight. Absalom, you want them come say them probably, but he said he hang on double wood. Or experiment, or experiment, teach him, you know, some of them. So, from sense of command, I mean, work from big man. So, you never take over me, one of them say, finish Lord, sense of command, if finish Lord, this command, by no more cut, next one. You may put them record finish, the world. That is why we must vote yes. Play me go through Blong, them unity, more justice, more blood development Vanuatu remain as the happiest in the world, more me one Christian nation. More me one tell them last in the law place, tell them say Christ master now and me example bring me leadership. And me king, but me make one example Lord John telling, and me watch him black blow all disciples play him. Peter you not like him. Payment now passing Blong, you seven also one member Blong. Parliament, all people of the town look back to the grassroots. How do you give an old man? By the time you go out here, you stop him, you know what I'm come down. But now, yeah, passing Blong master, and me king of kings and lord of lords, and me master of church, master of Vanuatu, then and me born me go back. For an example, Abraham. More one very interesting thing where me want them, you me everyone, me go back to written Philippians 2, 1 to 11. Where Jesus Christ, God is saying, me come down the wall here, plong it dead, plong man, plong out the man, lo to tak, lo sin, mo dead, plong come back to him, united with him. More time I must say come down the wall here, and me no make him thinking blame, and me fall him straight plan from God. Even time he pray the car and say, you know, we'll play me, but we'll play you. So lo sa lo church mi waran to kolsem se emi boden plong put people priority. Joy, Jesus number 1, God number 1, others number 2, you last one. Suppose you want to have some quality leadership where he looks at people, looks at a nation, you last one. So I now talk to when one taram belum desa say thank you Thomas. One after long 29 May, Yumi come back united. Me one taram last one say Yumi must come back. Every party will forward his present government, you go custom where they take come one man, you go back. Everyone go back to your place. Go back to the root. Go back to VP. By plan, people's plan, by me at Civi Molsem no more. Thank you very much. I think me want to tell him, you got question, ask him. Me ready to answer him any question. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you. And suppose you have a good doctor, Pastor, mo chief, to state him some important value, lo custom or judge, where to fly things say you may lack him. You may not cut. That is why you may stop go through lo country stop go through lo big for challenge we stop go through them. Thank you, Thomas. By me give him time lo Secretary General lo Malamba Provincial Government Council, Mr. German Ludvaun, or Provincial Government only represent them national government too, lo one province, long yumi long Vanuatu. Time me talk about national leadership. Where now place Blong province long hemi mo? How now province emi pat long Blong pizza Blong national leadership. Thank you, Secretary General.
Thank you, Thomas, moderator. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all panelists and also you used to view, used to watch Mivela through the live stream this afternoon. Yes, of course, you talk about leadership. Low level blow nation, low level blow church, low level blow chief, and also low level blow provincial government. How na mi play low province, low level blow government, look blow mi play implement them, tintinia leadership with them good governance. I think blow mi start them, mi want them talam na mo se. Provincial government emi established through law, chapter 13 law constitution, article 82, 83, where we define establishment law provincial government, more also law must got one law where you govern them. And law yana we define leadership law province, how all one provincial government emi established. And Bloemi established, he must get election, people Bambayoli must decide through law election, and you may take them in Olgeta. People who only successfully pass them election only come. You may elect them president, one vice president with them all elected councillors, only members of council. Olgeta only stop only make them all important, very important decisions. Especially in relation to decentralization policy, government, how you must have implement them, law level, yumi law province. And time we talk about one province, you talk about all islands where only consisting, only make them up the whole province. Law decentralization, I mean clearly define them. Establishment law government, establishment law secretariat, and all people who will serve under law secretariat. Bloody make sure say tintin law national government implemented law level law province. And you may also got all sectors, the different sectors law government, where you may have all the different ministries well established law province, where altogether two only form a body where you may call them technical advisory committee or commission. Altogether two only involve law decision makings. Only play one leadership role blow. Only make them sure say tintin blow decentralization fully implemented law each sector. Blow make sure say you got equitable distribution per service. Delivery, we make sure say people only receiving service where you may talk about the level of education, level of health, agriculture, forestry, fisheries, level of justice, law or not for the areas where you need blow, where you may look him say anyone need, blow you may implement them. And so leadership, time where you may look lahem low level pro province. I mean got two kind of leadership here. You got area where people only elect them, and you got area where you may PSC emi putum. Plan the time, to be honest, he got all challenges where he stopped, and maybe all previous press club, me used to watch him all press club, more discussions where Mr. Happen plan the time. You may look him say, the only issue where me stop today, me problem of values, morality, problem of attitude. Now I want something where time where you may look him say me happen low level time we happen low level province me go also me happen low level blow government as the nation, and so me all something where you may need you may look laham how bamba you may address them, how bamba you may address them one solution plan from say today bamba you may come you may want to find them solution to problems where me start finish, and me believe you may everyone you may contribute in one way or the other, and by you may too you may look blow find them solution plan where blow me help them you may how you may saveh implement them better governance low level blow provincial government low level blow secretariat low level blow TAC, and in that way you may contribute to good governance to country. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas, Secretary General. And time you may stop talk about nation building. Time you may stop talk about nation building and SGME Tatslemia. You may stop talk about all. You may stop talk about one society, and one society. Hemi group all people will agree will live together. And suppose Secretary General me touch all social values or values pro yumi. Or something will be accepted or standard where emi accepted more morally right pro one society emi follow, and question by yumi must ask him yumi one where SGME ask him or later where you establish lo Secretary General emi all value we past emi mention him emi all value we chief emi mention him how now yumi putu mol kata value ko yumi blo make em sure that hemi start the community ya emi ron ko koi ka semanda blo national level what em hemia Mr. welcome em do next panelist blo yumi emi area administrator blo central Mrs. Joyce Malau. Thank you you have come. Suppose yumi look long how yumi understand mol talk ya blong national leadership where yumi stop minim political system together with them church more nakamal system. Where now you must have a look all woman, more youth, lo pizza plong leadership ya. Thank you, area administrator.
Thank you, Thomas. Lo Klab press we have make an opportunity me available. Lo me vla have come express me vla lo important topic where you must have talk about. Lo understanding plo me lo leadership. Basic leadership, lo side, lo woman, more youth. Hemi through lo one family unit where every woman, more every youth, only member lo one family. Time where you make out inside lo communities, lo you me look lo simple talk about straight. Reality where me stop now ya. All communities ya now, all people will live inside lo community, only make them all choices for keta, only form them up. All organizations where you may stand up to him, you may have a vote them, all people will represent them, you may inside the parliament. Block out one healthy, more one strong government where he must have a look out them good, all people play him. Therefore, you must build him up. Base now town ya. Eme now he foundation. Lo ting me look more me trust them say. Suppose foundation he me weak by representation for people town lopesa. Ikam catch him provincial level. Iko catch him national level. pahem to hemi week. So tam yumi talk about all youth, yumi stop meaning all youth where yumi group mol kita start lo age lo 12, iko catchem 40. Maybe time yumi talk about 40, yumi start thinking say no hemi all matured people. But lo one way or the other, only all youth too will just saveh understand him environment will live him, how will saveh express him all kita lo one sector we come catchem all area council, ikam ko catchem provincial council, mo elite ko anda national level. Masempa mitale mo simatu se plan the time foundation for leadership hemi strong. Tamwe foundation for leadership hemi strong. Inside lo one home where you look se kat woman with a man hemi stop mol pikinini by one day only turn ikam all youth for one community. Emia bahemi lead ikolo one strong community where Bamba it looks say all woman with a all youth only become part lo one strong community through lo one church, through lo one nasara, one village, one area council, one island, more one province where lead ikolo one strong leadership or one governance where nation play yumi hemi stand up him. Yumi kat custom play yumi. Christian principles mo low hemi stop all time low community emia yumi respect them. Yumi everyone. Yumi stop give him respect to lo leadership. Play yumi more all woman more youth only part to lemia. Plan the time but yumi stop look around yumi look say no woman hemi no part lo want something. Youth in no part lo want something. Every decision making so ista command up. Yumi start leave him out too important. Grouping say inside the community play yumi. All woman, more youth, only need him too. Blow only part lo leadership. He respect them or honor him all keta from honor more respect. Hemi no one way pa hemi. Yumi tell him say hemi no one way system, but hemi one two-way system. Yumi respect them narvlaman. Mo tu yumi give him respect ay ko back lo keta. Pai yumi tell him say hemi two-way system we tam we mimi style community. Me respect them you kwanda piap tam you too you kwanda piap you must respect them me come back lo community. Full of time you me talk about gender equity, where you make a convention on the rights of women or something where you stop discriminate all women, where you talk about right for women. But gender hemi no plural woman no more. Hemi about all woman more man, more respect, more leadership with to fly cat plo putum together. Plo make them leadership plo every level is have a work mo hemi semak with them all youth. Vanuatu hemi one Melanesian society culture plo yumi hemi 10 plo talemo semia say all man all staff lead all time be suppose you look good all customs plo yumi cut all something more areas where woman no more only make them more only take lead lehem. Christian principles hemi talem se man hemi head lo family lo house plo hem pelo Genesis lo book lo Bible God hemi give him man more woman dominion over lo every something lo world. Therefore woman hemi got right plo play lo roles pro leadership lo every level. All youth only must learn all something lo school go through lo church more through lo nasara pro keta plo li saveh become all good leaders more same time support them leadership lo every level. Tete you make a plan the woman, more youth, well you hold them all high positions lo community, church, public service, private sector, more some fala only own them all own business lo keta. All keta everyone ya only stop contribute lo development lo country, more community lo keta more same time leadership lo country blo yumi. Yumi cut lo past more present, all woman well your members lo parliament, provincial council, municipalities, small area councils. Everyone only all leaders small or future Bambai or that two have contribute to one leadership of nation. You make at the day one woman we have one member of parliament, Honorable Julia King who have MP for rural Evate. Mo you make at one first woman ambassador, High Commissioner for Vanuatu lo Fiji, Her Excellency Firan Brown. Mr. Soyamaut no say suppose say you Mr. look down all woman, but yet all woman only got privilege, only got opportunity, probably come all big fala leaders, the community play me, all nation play me. You make a plan the youth only hold them all work, lo government, lo private sector, mo lo church, mo lo community play me, mo tool ol nasara play me. So therefore, pa yumi no look down ol woman, say woman, mo youth, ol no save part lo development. Ta yumi talk part ol development, yumi talk part nation governance play me. Pa you must look all time ikam lo community play me. Eme lo reality asem talem strength. Pa you kolo one community, pa you never find them. One community lo Vanuatu, even around the world, say ikat all man no after woman with them pikinini no kat. No, eme reality style all time ya. Pa all woman with them all youth ya now, only most number inside lo se molikatana only one highest population lo community. Whereby you may must look lol keta, you may respect them all views lol keta lo one will make them even lo decision making lo time lo election woman mo you to hemi part lo custom vote lol keta only cut right lo decide lo whoever pali only vote for lo coincide lo provincial governance or coincide lo national governance lo represent them voice lol keta two way one him only start facing reality. So bahagian with them thinking ya, me wanted to tell big flat thank you. Me so tell was me to say youth hemi kata opportunity, woman kata opportunity. Plotula save work with them all man, all big flat leaders play you me. Most suppose house ya antapia hemi save kat. One Chinese well woman with them youth is save partake inside red roof decision making ya. Me look say by change ya by me save come benefit them pick one. All grassroots people play me lo community level. Paken with the memia simple look lo yumi lo Malamba province, yumi kat lo or local play yumi kat one canoe. Yumi lo Vanuatu yumi no build him ship, yumi build him canoe ya by me go across lo one islands play me lo one province play me. Suppose yumi put them say woman with them youth him now him nachama plo canoe ya. Suppose to fly no kat. By canoe never travel equal one narvlat. Island in Saveh Narvla province. Petamo you miss talk about Nachama Blokenu, you miss Heavenis. Why? Reason why now hemi attach lo pick flakenu plo make him say Saveh sale. So me lo think plo me lo personal view plo me look say importance plo me take back two-way system ya you may respect even all women with them youth down lo community level. But you miss Saveh take him change ya plo. You will let them all get ali make him all decision makers, they be decision makers lo community level. By hemi kamanda be building one good for province play yumi. By kwanda be building one good for nation play yumi. Thank you much.
Thank you much, Area Administrator Block Central, Mrs. Joyce Malau. Emi touchem some very important point blo yumi take note lehem. And hemi start town pack again ego kasemantap. And hemi point where yumi haram lo blessa blo yumi build him start down no community level. Suppose yumi want them say antap lo national level. Emi one them yumi want them. You must build him down. And suppose you look back, suppose you look how only put him 17A or 17B, hemi plo address him fasin plo cham. Fasinia or values ya, you may teach him start down no community. Ikam kasem lo national. Thank you too much, Mrs. Joyce Malau. Now by me take him yumi historian plo yumi ikolo some statistic plo Pacific attitude survey. Long Vanuatu hemi come out lo April last manis. You got some slides from you. Suppose you stop looking at a screen outside there. Some very interesting statistic. Lo slide number 2. Lo slide number 2. Thank you. Before you stop go, thank you liberal panelists where you have been explainable different kind of system where you may work out with them today. Long Vanuatu custom church mo government. Suppose you may look saveh tata lo blessia. Long how all system only important lo one national identity lo you may look say over 90% everyone only putum value long trivial system. So lo pizza where you stop look ya ikat one saveh li putum emi all kata people only talem say ikat all kata something well important blo all kata blo only Vanuatu and some fellow talem say important mo some fellow talem say you look 94% planted all kata only believe say Oli look emi important plo oli pon lo Vanuatu, oli pin pon lo Vanuatu, oli Vanuatu citizen, and oli live lo Vanuatu plo almost whole life plo kita. Oli tok pislama, oli tok English, oli saveh tok Franis, oli ol Christian, oli respect them all institution, all political institution, mo law plo Vanuatu, mo all ancestors plo kita, oli ol Melanesian, mo oli practice him custom, mo oli respect them custom, mo oli film se oli ol man mo woman Vanuatu. Ani lugol kalaya, plante oli talem semi important. Plante oli talem semi important. So emi sewan kut fala pizza, ikam lo yumi plo talem se plante ol man oli film se oli truly ol man mo woman Vanuatu. Na mikaram yufle ko lo next slide. Lo slide number 3. Slide number 3. Pizza ya emi stop soem all important problem with government hemi must address him. Now, me want them for them good me with them lo pizza ya. Lo 19% emi only thing say government ba hemi address him economical problem blo country. 16% only look lo infrastructure. 15% lo government services. 13% lo health services, more sickness, we miss the affected more people. 12% lo governance, more climate, more environmental concern. 8% lo food and agriculture. Now 2% lo social value. Now question blomi stop ko lo yuval moderator. Out of every development problem ya, where people only pintalam ya. From when them you've laid things say, only no pin things say, government hemi need to work for 2 months lo social value. 2% no mo lo social values where you meet sa staff story and lem where you meeting say important lo build team nation ni ko antap. Pami give him first time lo ST, plemi saveh tok lo hemya. Lo question we give him. From when you meeting say, only no pin things say, government hemi need to work for Thomas long social value. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas, moderator. I think where Mr. Loplesia blow you mean no respect them or you mean follow them or implement them social value. Low level blow governance. I want something where to me, Mr. Talem say morality blow yumi society emi fall down plande. And you may need blow yumi look laham. You may need blow yumi find them ways blow yumi bring him back social value. And time we talk about social value, you talk about respect, you talk about dignity, equity, you talk about fairness, you talk about all good decisions where stop helping people, look him, more experience some positive impact, change, life, get want something where yumi lanem lo home blo yumi. Today yumi touch him all problem blo society be home now. Foundation blo every something. Time one pignini ikat one mama ikat one papa is tawat them hem. Bambai to valai it teach him lol values. You must respect. You know must swear. You must talk about man. Time you look one pignini and mistalo need, you help him. Lo school maybe you know got kakai. And all values. Time you walk out you look one all fall away. Need him help. You help him. So all values where you mean all anem lo school, you mean anem lo family lo home. And all values here, more yumi stop practicing, emi build him up attitude plo yumi, more emi build him up behaviors plo yumi, emi build him up personality plo yumi too. And emi now yumi stop karam, yumi stop walk out with them. You start karam value plo you, lo house you go lo place plo work plo you. You karam you go lo leadership position where you stop laham. Suppose where you know got good value and principles lo home. Bambay emi soem lo leadership lo you. Lo every place where you stop laham. Family emi very important. Time when you walk out lo villa you come lo Parliament House you look in one statue ya stop ya. You got one papa, one mama, one pignini. After papa ya emi stand up after he put him, he show him direction. Emi show him direction lo family blahem. And suppose you may look him say social value blo him emi sta fall down today. Me believe he got absence blo papa blo he set him direction. And so time we got absence blo papa blo he show him direction lo mama with them pignini. That is why you may face him all issues where you may face him today. And issues lo community, lo village, lo province, igo kasem lo level lo nation blo yumi. So roots blo every something I family. Yumi must address them family. And yumi must tell them lo family in respect lo presence blo chief blo yumi where he stop with them church where he stop blo with them area administrator yumi everyone yumi work together blo remind them family blo li institute back values well bu blo yumi before li no school oli kat and suppose yumi good lo yumi teach him lo classrooms blo yumi because more you teach him beginning yumi grow up and start grow up with them value ya. You know, realize him, so you start shaping leadership. Blahem, blow emi stop. Always focus, blow emi. Look, lo positive side, blow things. Lo time where emi stop go, blow emi work inside the one organization, or emi come one leader, blow nation ya. You must go back. Lo roots, blow everything. Where emi family, where emi made up one papa, one mama, more pignini. Thank you.
Thank you too much, SC. But me go next slide. You go next slide. Suppose you stop look lo next slide lo Yumi. Yumi go slide number 4. Slide number 4. You look one more. Saveh lo plesa. One slide to say, but you stop lo before screen ya. But you look emi stop puti bose mi gat plante way plo kivhan one country. Mo question emi say you agree with them or you disagree with them. You look red di tag red ya hemi you totally no agree with them. Mo you totally no agree with them. Mo light color ya hemi you agree with them. Now question emi say alternatively or you should cut greater say lo politic than ordinary people. 74% only agree. Now next one government should consult them malfautu maurita hemi start make more law. 94% only agree. Now when government should consult with them church time hemi start make them law. 91% only agree. Now one say people where only cut small or only no school, only should cut say inside the politic or say molkata way only school good. 53% only agree. Monar one question government should decide law all ting plo folem plo discussem lo one society 40% only agree mo pikfala number only disagree. Now question plo me come lo yumi ol panelist because you've like anyone you want to contribute it just indicate question plo yumi look le mem mi golsem. How now you saveh scalem how now you scalem how all saveh participant lo not kasem south only serem belief plong all geta long how all custom mo chat system only saveh work together with them government system chats mo custom no plesa mi karam plante percentage. So question do mi pa mi give mi golo pasta so pasta mi saveh tok lo question what them area administrator how now you scale them how all saveh participate long not kasem south only serem belief plong all geta long how all custom or chat system only saveh work with them government system. Thank you pasta.
Thank you so much. Me want to go back lo ting dalam say priority emi mastrate. One emna emi very important inside long community of lo government we must deal with them first time. Tamo emi golong back lo phase 1 ya I 2% mo lo social na mi everyday life lo man. Mo tamo everyday life lo man emi go with them God mo go with them community straight lifelong whole nation ikam good. Betamo imi mesem pa imi pas semua imi sabrem. Lo blessa mi wanem dalam si social life lo emi very important lo emi look back lo priority lo emi everyone must be straight. From to the last one down ya emi lo salo politik with them wanem last one lo societies politik emi wanem ya politik was politik emi decide between wrong and right then emi important emi look sabe se emi life lo mania lo tamo emi tusum right then emi important emi go for right wanem emi straight emi sabe mekem. So emi boden blong everyone ya imi taketem blong make sure say everyone only stop long support blong kita 90% or emi balance. From emi go back also mi say long emi go back lo top long god imi look lo Acts 2 ya tamo revival it taken place 3000 soul only come long masa social life lo kita na emi very attractive. Medium needs for people inside the community. All kita we know got all house, all something ya. Church semi kivhan blow look say social life, whether medical life, Bible life, political life, all is some mark no more. Medium needs for everyone. So by me one of the say everyone emi burden. So me make sure say emi way got less people support. Emi burden me go back play me support everyone same mark.
Thank you, Pasta. Thank you to mas Pasta. And Pasta mi touch lo buen blo imi palancem or kata look ya. Thank you to mas Pasta mi yumi kolo next slide. Pa yumi kolo next slide blo yumi mi last fala slide blo yumi. Ikat one saveh paken lo blessa we mi talk about how all man only trust them all institution. All institution emi taunya. Lo Prime Minister 53 ikata emi awe kalawe laiti emi olman wali live lo town ya mo emi awe take emi olman wali live lo rural area lo olman we oli live lo town oli kat less 41% oli trust them 41% oli trust them prime minister tami kolo president 53% tami kolo national government i look lainnya ko town small tami kolo chief i konta pro 73% mo tabi ko political parties aroya I sutum town lo 30% lo rural emi semak prime minister 53 lo president 68% lo national government 64% lo chief 81%. Political parties, below 15%, below 50%. Now, before we start call question, before we give time lo question, few question. Trust me one important something lo national leadership. Also, mo yumi look lo saveh. Trust me important lo every system. Yumi talk about what them be saveh hemi se some se public emiskelem different. You saveh look lo pichaya. All panelists. You got any comment? Lo how will people only trust them all institution ya? Pami give him time lo area administrator. Then finish as this possible them talk finish. Me give him time lo question. Thank you area administrator.
Thank you Thomas lo slide where me come out. Suppose you me plan you me stop watching lo slide where me stop. Me surely clarify all think plo you me lo either you may live lo town more all people will live lo grassroots. I mean lo rural area. Lo place apa you may look me got big flat difference. Lo politicians play you me after I come call all prime minister play you me after I come call head of state after you may look he come call all chief. Lo ting plo minamo when Mr. Look lo chat ya, Mr. show him out clearly say yumi lo grassroots level where you may live lo communities play me lo rural area. Trust to yumi lo chief me very high. You compare them with them all people will live lo town. O kata tu trust pro kita lo chief pro kita lo town ni very high. Me come back and keep bringing one question to you everyone plus ask him you me say all leaders play you me where you me stop trust them all kata mo you me stop vote them all kata is ta koandap plo represent them all voices play you me ko all is ta koandap but chiefs only forever there all is ta with you me lo community any small problem where me arise lo community first person we pali ron plo ko seeking advice or plo karem good for thinking, plus have a solve problem. All time, pa you me refer to, you me must call lo chief. Pa you look lo side plo church, emi stop, emi no come and up to mass. So emi stop putum to lo you me say, mentality play you me, thinking play you me lo church leaders play me lo community. Iyo se wanem. O wanem na respond plo church play me ko lo community people play me down lo, all communities play me. Only help him you me one way. Way you benefit him you me lo Christian life play me look saveh say church to me important. Tayo me look lo chat ya no already me show him me clearly say people lo both lo rural area with them lo urban area only got big flat trust lo chief me play one very important role inside lo communities play me where place where you me stop him chief me stop me look lo family. By all time, by me not take him lo side plo man no more. He must take him to lo side plo woman. Pakikian by me tala mo se me refer lo talk we hemi come you me stop talk about him. You me look say lo social pila plo you me. Emi very weak out lo studies we hemi show him lo place. Emi show him say people you me no look too much lo all community play me lo side lo social. Activities so one ways to happen surroundings play me social affairs play you me no look too much lemia but me want something where you must bring him up chief me play me important role finish inside the community me look sometime plan the time by me look cattle issues ways to affect them communities play me you may run to chief by me give him all good for la directive after me bring him back social attitudes play me he bring him back, he come back to one state where mentality of people inside the community change. Start all youth, all woman, he come all man. Therefore, simple for me, tell him straight, say yes. Lord chat to hemi stop come out here, you know, say want something where you me think nothing lempe, hemi want saveh where capture him think all people lo rural area, more people will live lo town, will give him. Think people kata issue him out, me one picture say, trust me one very important something where yumi one human being where yumi life yumi maskat lo leaders play me where yumi putuma polketa lo community level yumi putuma polketa ikam lo provincial level ikolo national level trust ya all time mi mastap ya from time where yumi look lo chat ya hemi show out say no or kita different ones ya lo start lo politicians ikam ko lo chief ikolo church ikolo head of state ifta ikolo PM isema all different percentage ya only because some of these people are not with us lo community level or maybe lo urban area only no camp lo visiting yumi ya emi bringing one big flat picture lo yumi maybe emi one rightful thinking suppose you start thinking say anybody where you Mr. one them put them up emi come one future leader lo yumi but you must pass through lo council of chiefs whether be it lo Phillips council of chiefs or you make out law area council of chiefs, you pass through law island council of chiefs, you come go through law provincial council of chiefs. Please tell them say yes, I mean one straight lead up law community by for them automatically community by for them from him trust them the chief is very high. I mean law look plumi mo think plumi. Thank you so much.
Thank you area administrator. Me give him 2 minutes lo step lo is of a game think blame lo chat to him stop.
Thank you. It took many years for you develop trust. The trust here is have destroy in a second. I want something where graphia I talem lo yumi say most Lord people only live lo urban, only not trust them all politicians lo yumi. And by look him, surprising lo look all figure ya. 41% of PM, below average. 49% lo national government, below average, and also political parties were 30%, very poor. And maybe from say people only no look him only haram too much promises, but only no look him reality. And time you me or leaders you me deliver all promises, because time where you promise you no deliver. You stop stealing own trust for you. You yet you destroy him trust ya. And want something where you should look like him, especially low level law leadership law yumi where yumi involve law politics, and maybe yumi try look law all policies for yumi how yumi saveh put them all policies where saveh implementable, you saveh action them, and you saveh deliver them. The people look him. I think one something where you know been touch them lo place ya, me haram you touch them small. Time where you lose some trust, you must be very careful. Say one now we cause them. Say people only lose some trust. You it could be greed. Greed. You may look like you is too much. You make them say people only lose some trust. It could be respect. You may deliver, you may not deliver. Not something I mean very important. You may got eyes. People only got eyes only stop look, only got ears only start listen. Promise. Time when you talk, tell them you give him one promise. People only you raise them up level for trust the people. But time when me no deliver, trust here me fall down.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you to Mas Secretary General. Suppose you got any question, you walk out the camera place and more you raise you mic camera you ask one question. You know you mean no more lakatoro you mistabia or people blue you me or lista faram you me or narfala province blue you me or lista watch you lo television or lista faram you lo radio or lista follow you to lo Facebook. So suppose you got any question, lo kata ting what you me talk about today, you saveh walk out the cam. Suppose you no got any question, by you me stop passing panelist blue you me only stop give him last ting blow kata before you start finish. And emia the story on what today him stop point them road lo yumi stop talk about 17A 17B him important him ya emi come town lo level lo community Yumi build him community yumi kasem yumi build him national yumi level blo yumi avoid them all something where yumi no want all challenges where polikam yet from all value where yumi cut or stamba ting where yumi cut lo community yumi emi all get early base lo Christian principle and values, custom principle and values lo yumi where all panelists yumi only talk about. So suppose you got any question blo you electoral office establishment or journalist list of take note or question below you or list of haram too. You want them ask you one question, you say come ask him question below you by or journalist below you list have a follow up question, important question where you make got small time stop, me give him lo you will stop watch lo Facebook, you have a drop him question below you to lo comment section. Blo you miss have a look to lo question below you. Suppose you got any question, bro, chief? Any question, bro, pasta? Any question, bro, SG? Any question, bro, area administrator? Mike, me stop come round. Or you walk party come look clear place, bro, miss have look you. More you have ask him question, bro, you. Now, before you miss up, while you miss up with the question, but me give him time lo. ST mo pasta bro to fly have talk lo you miss up talk about all kita. You miss up talk about all kita social values bro you me. Where me important and you me touch more lem. While me fly stop talk you got any question you just walk out to make am no front. Me fly stop him talk. Me fly give him time lo you ask him question bro you. Me give him time lo ST bro to fly talk lo. All kata values ya, and from yumi local place ya, time yumi talk about, time yumi local place ya, 30% only katras lo political parties, emi stop meaning want something. Might all political parties so semo yesi miradi talem only no tilifa, or yumi no kat some good policies lo political parties lo only make them all stable policies lo. Only make them have implement them, and you miss have time say go towards election, 70 party only pon. After the election, only lose everyone. Only no stop lo work all policies pro kata or pro promote them thinking ideology or idea thinking pro kata. Pro only stop promote them pro swim se party and Mr. fight from interest. But me give him time lo SG. Thank you.
I think thank you moderator. I mean important law all politicians blame only look back law all values where only believe them and me wonder me go back because I mean one level blow one leadership one level blow leadership yeah but the roots blow everything you me talk about finish start blow home start blow level blow family start low level blow community, low church, and then all values yana where you meet again ya, you miss that again you call all different leadership position where you miss Abraham today. I mean important blow you me always got respect, maintain trust. You got fair share law all resources where you me cut, time where you me give him out. You go all people, especially lo side all allocations. More also me tell them finish all promises where you me stop make them. You me must be careful say you me deliver because I mean now by I putum trust go down. By value I want something where all chiefs play you me only talk about. You got value lo village level. More you got values too lo Christian principles where you all pastors play you only give him lo you only start teach him lo you maybe lo every Sunday lo every Sabbath and suppose where go to church you got values all biblical values where you have a reading lo Bible and all values here now time more you take them. And me help you, lo you have a look lo one different perspective. Maybe all values where you stop got today, maybe some lol geta you need you change them. Christian principles ME1. You read him talk blo God. Narvala something education. Education contribute plan de plo I shape life plo man, I shape values plo man. And make him you stop look something lo instead bro you look something lo one narrow look you start look lo broad perspective. And so very important blo Yumi everyone who Yumi your leaders Yumi try and blow work law all values play Yumi identify Emia way maybe no straight maybe cause people blow lose some trust identify Emia way pamba building trust parken. And then you walk lamb. Everyone here, you make at all failures. You me weak lol some areas blow leadership blow But important blow you identify place where you need to fail lamb and you need to walk lamb and also meet lamb. But you need him education. You need the church involved. You need the chief involved. But one something before me finish, me want them tell them also say, one thing where everyone you start talk about all time. 1 tree where me pick one, saveh benem. You saveh benem me way small. And so all graphs where you look here, me reflect them. Lo look lo me reflect them. Say me show them say. 3 years you no saveh benem. You must start bro, you start them down. All figures you only change, you start them down. You start them law home. After you must also meet them finish, you must teach him value law schools, blo you Ministry blo education, and we must come up with them curriculum, blo values. Principles where Bamba you teach him law home. Also talk big man and tell him train up a child in the way you should go. Time when you all valam Bamba no run well you start them time where me small. Problem blow instability today. Now. Problem where you got development today. You got promises but you not deliver. Stop down. You must make them good foundation. And Bamba it take years, maybe 10 years, 20 years, 15 years, and by looking me got change here. This time, you may try and blow, you may make them change here or paper. Article 17A, 17B. And me change lo paper no more. But change me must start lo hat. Tamo no got change lo hat. By something here, me talk nothing no more. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. I think me got one question lo audience. But me got one question lo audience. Thank you, Thomas Anderson, by giving mic lo member of the audience to ask him a question. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you. Thank you, Lo. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Lo, Press Club, for you. Flash of Town, Lo. Stop giving all very, very important information. Also, you missed up one time where you missed up go to watch some country. I mean, stop expect them. You may look in whether by got one change or by no got change. Thank you for the discussion. Me follow discussion long time. Me haram all good thing. Me got one question, one very simple question. Pa me ask him, then pa me make one comment. Question lo me hemi also. Today by heavy me drama related question ya little bit lo fit him lo context lo na ya. Me first question lo me hemi also say all politicians me just ask me gam lo you me afternoon. Say, are they leaders or all politicians? You saveh kolam all get all leaders. Question lo mi sodol sem. Mi putum lo ground lo table suppose you like ata tok ploi velai thalam then mi pon.
Thank you too much. Thank you too much. Thank you too much. The question. All panelists. Question na megam say yumi saveh talam se all politician nemi all leader. But me give him time to any panelists. Suppose me want them respond. Lo question. But me give him first time lo pasta. Thank you, Pastor.
Thank you, Lord Christian. We come up. All politician, all leader, or also one them. Be mi lulu global lo survey we stop. Me one them dalam se was national capman. And me climb me go and up. By hemi really good. From where blessana when me touch some people, more touch some nation. Me question him lo salo. How na president he come and up. He put him everyone. With them cheap. So lo sat plong lulu plong is what me talam say all politician cap man of the day and me must all man will must trust him mo me must kivhan all people ikat se mak we me should kivhan me tat se all civil servants too all department block up man example ikat people money stop inside lo cap man blong me push me come down long all producer pay is you know cut you know make him you know use him. So you make them say, "Capman, we stop." People don't respect them. Probably me no make them pro work for them. So me wanna make him come and say, "Si was all politician, me Capman stop. Plug me meet him need plug people. By all get I respect them or trust them. And me top plug everyone." And me one comment we wanna make him. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. I think past time you comment lo chat. The question me still stop. You miss a vetalem say all politician me all leader. Thank you, SC.
Thank you. But me tram answer question ya. Leadership I want something where you know school from. Time where you want human being, you want leader. You want leader time where you start you make them decisions. You wake up in the morning, you decide whether you having breakfast today or no. Or you go to Karen or you sleep no all day. You are leading your own life. You are leader, yeah. Everybody is a leader. And so, blow you question him say all politician and me all leader. All your leaders. I think label ya no more politician, title ya no more. Is to make them say people only question him say all your leader or you know all leader. But they are leaders. And whether you perform or you know perform, you want leader. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas SC. Chief, me want them contribute. Thank you, Chief.
Thank you. But me give him one supplementary answer no more. Politicians are your leader or no? Lo yumi talem. All politicians are like leader. Time where you choose from you come with one politician. Even say you stop represent them nakamal for you, area for you, island for you go and up lo retro. So force you want politician, you want leader. Suppose you know saveh, I mean I know good. But suppose you saveh, say you want leader. Every time you must come back to communicate, you come back to highland for you, you come back Kogasem level you lo custom. So for you, politician, anyone leader. You know saveh from one embracing or is go chaman labia? Maybe promoting no saveh. Meeting said so no saveh. Me nothing say me no saveh. You also one leader, you carry voice people for you, governance for you go present them inside law retro. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. I think before me give him go back, I think me member Mr. Wetlo give one talk. Yes, so me haram lo talk lo panelist. Leader hemi one individual where hemi got ability blow influence and leadership alone hemi no complete. Time say you stop lead, you must haram to all people play you. You must facilitate them need flow kita. emi or something sometime emi missing lo some wisem esi emi dalem. Sometimes something missing lo you also one leader where you must make him. So pa hemi ko se mo narvala issue pa kan be emi answer blue come lo all panelist you will my get me give him time to come back from you talam se pa give one comment after. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all respond lo panelist me like him all respond and but me make one small comment then me like a mic. You may everyone is also mesti dalam je we are leaders. Tamo you may look in lo history lo leadership become lo time by me dalam je we are Christians. And then you may look go back lo time or leaders or your body come. Time you look him lo qualities plol. Also you rightly tell them say leadership we you may all leaders people only work you may influence someone only work after you may. But today fashion you may today lo leadership hemi no complete. Also you may Mr. Param me want them connect them thing below me go back lo values where Mr. Blogi Moltada where you've left up so him. Now they may look him lo values here. Also see pin mention them that say you could you may teach him. You may include them lo curriculum you may teach him lo schools. Because you may stop looking say almost 80 to 90% lo one of you lo school is not about values, but hemi about knowledge. You may want them plant the knowledge. Pero before that peram in stability where you may cut with them all over la in you stay in them. Pe oligaram say oligaram where. So me want them put them me reason why me ask them question is say all politicians play me with all due respect. Say only all leaders or not. It is because you may no saveh differentiate them a politician and a leadership. You may not saveh differentiate them to valaya. Today you may work out with them politicians as a leader. But the leadership quality we fully no cut with them respect. Today you meet them say one chief community he's a chief, he's a leader. But he may not cut one quality for leadership. Where are we going? You may miss up talam say one chief ikamorlo nakamal mane litra. O litra na where? You may karaman politicians ikamorlo place ikami campaign. The next thing you saveh. That's why you end up time you some statistics trust money got lo Prime Minister of Vanuatu. For la boli dalam say me got so much trust on them. Because this thing hemi think about is a propaganda. Hemi just come to say I will give this but me give him hemia after inokat ivelem. O say we see dalam say trust it take one short moment no more me break him. Then you build him because trust is what we gain lo people. So hemena hemi issue. Plo you go back, you for them 17A, 17B, plo talam no and yes, no. Me lo me one, me look him say that is not the case. But the case is plo you may make a more awareness, you may come back, you may train them people, a good leader, scrutinize them all the town. Plo you may have one good leadership. Plo change them 17A, 17B. I don't see anything as an individual, lo perspective lo me no look him anything wrong lo constitution. But all I see is we need to correct leaders. We need to correct leaders, not the constitution. You may not correct them constitution, but you may correct them leaders. You may stop law press conference pro leadership. Me want them and them dog lo sham. I think it could you may look in social perspective lo one different way. Kamani need to address them. Address them. A big one. You may need them leaders where only go to church, not leaders where you put them wine, drink, lo table every day. Those are the leaders we need him. So boss you may continue lo vaccine ya. But you know what way you may stop go. But you may repeat me one. Se magnomo. You may we need leaders who are Christian, who uphold the Christian principle. Even is fashion blow leadership. Daniel is a politician. But Daniel is a God-fearing man. He has this value in him. Value ya parents play me teach him value. kam karam lo school, mi dalam lo full of parents, mi dalam se, mino teaching begini, mino kata lo school, mino kat one subject lo teaching behavior. I only have, mi play got maths, English, French, social science, agriculture you talk about. But me want them say, you me go back lo house play me. You me go back, you me start off lo house play me, awareness. You mean individual, go back to the house. You mean government no need to spend them so much million. To make them awareness from values. Mama, papa, ko teaching pigni the house. The true value is found at the house. It cost them zero value. Go back to the house. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tomas. Yumi take a question also me last fala question blo Yumi. Pa me give him time now. Me give him 1 minute lo each panelist. Blo only give him ting blo all kita. Blo only give him a last ting blo kata lo story and blo Yumi today. Thank you. Start mo tema pasta. Mo by me ente mo tema area administrator.
Thank you, Thomas. Me want them daramol say priority and me must be right. Tama mi look long example of social me 2%. And me mean say me miss them the full department or organization where me should be priority. From tama community, me no stop long one good environment or stop one good standard. Then the whole nation me stop chaos. So I mean one comment we want to make him. Lo side plong priorities for me. Come back lo home, come back lo church. You invest the best. Lo life lo church. Lo life long all people by nation ikamanda paken long one level where you must have expect them. Or someone talk it alam say godly family, godly community, godly nation. Most family I mean no godly. Papa go church. Emino local beginning, emi outside, then the whole corruption, law nation, emi misabe panam say misabe experience ma. So I mean na comment we want them say God go back the best. More parents, papa especially, come back to your position also one leader, one carer, one provider inside our home. Thank you too much.
Thank you, Tomas. Basta Tali Ambi. Thank you. Me give him time, bro, Chief Owen. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, lo mi talem last tok lo mi talem bagian. Thank you lo storian lo mi lo this afternoon. You must have come lo talem se 17A mo 17B. All people lo yumi or you must sampai dalam say with them experience so you been go through them lo walk back le dong pala walk back le you come and you want to say you could suppose you must look saveh or begin lo you we balikam ko anda mo you everyone you must look saveh say for them all struggle lo you walk back le megam mo lo future primi lo tomorrow immunity mo kutla lida lo ori look saveh mo ori think saveh mo ori walk sampai misalnya se yumi man ya yumi got experience yumi got every something with God he put with yumi suppose yumi saveh walk together mo yumi not cham yumi continue pro build him up go bring him development nikam Lord people bring me and they are not when with people you want them you put the one beginning go on up the people is the way lose it kakai must come back development he must come back kasem olgada so all chief all you want them say everyone you must work together lo make one kutula nation bring me thank you too much.
Thank you, Tomas. Chief, pamik him time lo Secretary General.
Thank you, Tomas. Atin final comment lo mi by short no mo. Country blue mi one Christian country. And lo yumi got all good leaders, yumi need him God-fearing people. Loli make them all good decisions. Loli guide them yumi or take them yumi kolo the future we bambayami bright. Lo last year lo summit 40% lo National Sustainable Development Plan lo government where you call them the People's Plan 40% no more only reaching in the last 6 years. I mean, tell them say yumi underperform. Yumi everyone. But at the time yumi look back after you make them all changes here. Look back all values and make them change. Lo level blo village, lo level blo area council, lo level blo province, lo level blo government, lo level blo church. Yumi everyone he must look back lo values play me. From the time where values play me, I'm straight. Yumi pambay change may happen. I suppose where yumi got moral values play me fall down. Pambay may affect them the whole society, and by affect them leadership too. And so yumi always got must got tindinia say yumi got independence finish 1980s. I mean no finish yet. Independence it got cost plan. You must work from. You must struggle from. And finally, change. Also, me tell them finish. Change them in all words where you may write them lo paper. And it must happen lo heart and mind. And by me finish with them text lo Bible, let me tell them lo Romans 12:2. And me say, you know, conformed by the Lord, do not be conformed by this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. All words lo paper, you know, say make them want something. You must be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Time mind let me transform, you got change, then by you know saveh touch them holy book play yumi where me constitution. Today you want them touch him. All some Christian or say you me try change them some what the Bible ya. Holy book play yumi me constitution play yumi. It amblo it touch him. Bamba you be careful say me no all words no more. Me must be low mind with them heart play yumi. Thank you.
Thank you to Mas Secretary General. For me give him time lo area administrator.
Thank you to Mas lo historian play me today. Me want to tell them no more say with the more changes which to happen. You make out this Decentralization Act to hemi stop. First time you missed up listen lo all thing all people's plan where you missed up make them. Yet to send on national level make out last sale everything. But with them Decentralization Act where hemi come, hemi bottoms up approach. You mean him say every changes you may want to say by me happen under the national level, but it still must happen low community level, low villages, low homes where you may one year represent them. Me a lot thing also me say you may change them mentality play you may change them all thing where you may cut low thing say no or something is stop wrong under the national level. No, you may not, but you must take one first step. To change him that mentality. You may take me come down say all people only kwanda pia. You mean yet look community level. You may choose more get kwanda. So mentality for you me must change. You may work together all women, all beginning, all youth, with them all leaders play me inside the community play me. Make sure say that mentality you may achieve him look community level all homes play me one. From you make out one strong family. Support ya now, we build him up one strong community. One strong community ya now, we build him up one strong area council. More one strong area council and we build him up. All islands play you me. Province play you me where you may stop. pa hemi through lo strong foundation we yumi cut down lo community level, pa hemi lead up iko kachem national level. So wete mol ting ya mi Mr. Teke mi kampa kosima se power plo governance we mi stop today, hemi stop down lo community level. Yumi now yumi start lo community level or rural areas primi, yumi got power ya plo change him start down e kachem national level. Thank you Thomas.
Thank you Thomas, area administrator. And hemi historian believe today, lo you will stop watch on screen or kata statistic bin folem. You saveh lo slide, you saveh find them out lo Pacific attitude survey, lo link where hemi stop, you saveh set 7 more, but you look, you read the full report, you interest lo read him, it's a very important statistic where hemi stop inside. Motu, suppose you got any question, bro electoral office, especially concerning referendum, ask him electoral office lo Malamba province, pakatali answer you lol kata ting concern from kata facilitate referendum. What mo kata ting ya, you may come today or group lo campaign yes mono li kampas. Today press Klab Vanuatu, whether we VBTC mekaram through lo radio Vanuatu, television lo Vanuatu, mo Facebook page, lo VBTC. Emi kam town lo you lo malakula lo you may find them out say. Today what mo expert historian what mo panelist problem emi no sta pantapian mo lo 17A 17B. Emi kam town ko kasem community pro yumi. Yumi to when them look one change, yumi to start them town. Yumi also one society, one community. Yumi atop them all values, Christian values, all traditional values pro yumi. Pro make em suwa se yumi create them all leader. We only look best interest for all people. Mo only move from country pro yumi go forward. What them ya? Mitalam thank you lo Pastor Tali Ambi, thank you Thomas, lo time you. Mitalam thank you to lo Chief Owen Labuen Mal, thank you Thomas, lo you savekam. Thank you lo Secretary General, Mr. German Ludvaun, thank you, wo you savekam. Mo thank you lo Area Administrator lo Central Malakula, Mrs. Joyce Malau, thank you wo you savekam to lo historian lo today. And you missed up story lo kata platform lo VBTC, thank you lo you will stop listen lo radio Vanuatu. Thank you lo you will stop watching television lo Vanuatu mo follow Facebook page lo VBTC with me George Warwar bu lo Lakatoro. Pa you follow paken lo kata story niya. Next week pa press club lo Vanuatu hemi stop lo island lo tana. Lo you me continue storyan. Tok lo information hemi stop ko. Electoral office is the only place so you can have information. If you cut one something, you may call misinformation, or disinformation. Two, we have stop. We have stop trying blow. So you may want them say you can have straight information. Prepare a mind blow you. 40 years, me blow you. Choice me blow you. But make them sure say you can have straight information, right information. Blow make them say you decide. You decision blow you, pa beginning blow you, pa me leave them. Bubu blow you, pa me leave them. What them hemya? Thank you to lo old kata chief Malmeten Fanu, thank you. We used to have allowed press club lo save kam historian lo crown lo nasara plo you. Thank you lo provincial government council. We used to have allowed VBTC lo save kam historian lo lakatoro. Kasem next press club tataol kita.